Hi, Miss Heidi. This video is for you. This is a picture of my screen on my desktop. So first, when you want to upload your video, you're going to go to youtube.com. You'll type that in and you'll see sign in on the right hand side over here. You're going to click that. Since I already have an account, it's going to prompt you to a page like this, and you're going to create an account right here. Once you click create your account for myself, you're going to enter your first and last name. You can use your work email, your personal email, and then create a password and hit next, and then you'll be in. Once you log back in, and it'll bring you to YouTube homepage. Just now you have an account up here in the right hand corner. This icon is to create a video or upload your video. So you're going to click the camera view to upload your video. It may be easier to do this on your phone, to go to youtube.com, create your account on your phone, and then simply upload the file from your phone, since that might be where you're recording it. Or if you do it from your laptop or your desktop computer, it can easily be also uploaded as one of the files from your computer. So after you click the video that you want to upload, that you created, you can rename it Miss Heidi Says Hello. You don't need to really put anything there unless you want to. And you're going to click next. Yes, it was made for kids. It's uploading here at the bottom. And as soon as the upload is complete, you're going to get a little message box with the new URL over here. So while that's uploading, I want to take you to our Teams page. And when we log into Teams, this is our general channel. And this is only stuff that the teachers can post now. Before, everybody was posting to this channel and chatting and all kinds of stuff. It was getting cluttered. So now only teachers and owners can respond. So you're going to upload the URL here to the general channel. Let's see if it's ready. So it's still processing, but that's okay. It'll be here soon. There it is. Once you upload your video, depending on how long the video is, it definitely can take several minutes to upload. So just be patient with that. So this little icon, you can click it and it copies it, and then all you got to do is come to our general channel post, right click, and then paste. And there it is, and then click send. And you uploaded your first YouTube video. You can do this, Miss Heidi. If you need any more help, just reach out. We can help you in any way, okay? All right, look forward to seeing your awesome videos. Thank you. Bye-bye. Miss you.